because you can share it with your bare hands. That's just it. These are the reasons why it's called a paper ribbon. So now I'm using this ribbon. As you can see, it has a curved side. See, it already has a curved, manufactured curved side, and it has the other side, a straight side. So the curved side is what I'm using. You fold it in as it comes from the roll, just like this. You make a roll shape. Just try it. It's very nice. Just make a roll shape, just like this. Make a roll of your ribbon this way. Very simple. Make a roll this way. Just make it a roll. Just make it a roll. Just like this. This is what you have. After making it this way, then you make a cut. You need the scissors. You just make a cut. And the cutting is, I have a scissors in my right hand, I'm holding it on my left hand. Then I cut on this end. You don't cut it to the end. You cut a little. Then I turn it to the other side. I make another cut. Be careful and don't be scared when you are cutting. If you are scared, you cut it out. So this is what you have. I cut it in two sides. Then you make it. I open it this way. I bend it this way. Then I cut the middle. So I'm done. I pick this middle one and I pull it out. Can you see? Can you see what we have? This is what we have. I use this on your decorations. This way. This way. As well, you can use it on your table to make a drape at the end. So that's what we do with it. So the next one is we are using, like I said the other time, we have a ribbon maker. It comes in different sizes and shapes. What we need to do is very simple. This is a ribbon maker or boom maker. It's 1. This is 1. The numbers are not set in order. They are scattered for a perfect result. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And it is written on it, turn in this shape 5 or 6 times. Ribbon on mold. Turn in this shape 5 times or 6 times. If you turn it 5 times, at least you go from 1 to 8 5 times, or you go to 1 to 8 6 times. It depends on how you want it to be more fuller. At the same time, when you're working with it, the numbers must back you. And the one working with it, the numbered side must back me. Why? For a perfect result. This is 1. So I can decide to rewrite the number at the back. That is, if it's mine, I can decide to write the numbers at the back. So now I want to work with it. And how to work with it is very simple. You're only working with it with your same paper ribbon. How will you work with it? You cut your ribbon into 2 equal sizes. Just like this. Like I said, it's paper ribbon. So you cut it this way. You cut it to the length that it will be workable for you to make your bowl nice and perfect. This way. So I should be okay with this measurement to go 6 or 5 times. Now, this is my number 1. This is number 1. In between 4 and 1. In between 4 and 1. At the back, I place my ribbon edge. I place my left thumb on the ribbon to hold it down. Then in between 4 and 1, I cover 1. Can you see? I cover 1. Then automatically it goes to 2. This is 2. The ribbon itself goes to 2. You can see it's on 2. It says I want to cover 2. You cover 2, you turn it to the other side. It's on 3 already. You cover the number 3. Then you go to, it's already on number 4. You cover number 4. It's already on number 5. You cover number 5. It's already on number 6. You cover number 6. It's already on number 7. You cover number 7. Already on 8. You cover the number 8. I hope you get it. It's very nice. It's go back to 1. It's back to 1. Can you see? It goes straight back to 1. Then you cover 1. Continue. Then you go on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the second turning. Majorly, when you are working with this mode, while you are working with it, the mode must not bend. Maybe you are working with it at the first time, you have to make the bowl relax. So it goes back to 1, 1, 2. You can see the way I'm working with it. The mode must not be bent. So now it's on 3. My ribbon is finished. It can't go again. So I don't need this leftover. I cut it out. I pick my second ribbon. I place it on the one going before. I place my thumb on it. I continue with 4. That is 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That is how many turns? The third turn. I'm going for the fourth turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That is the fourth turn. I'm going the fifth time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is it. It stops at number 6. And as here, I need more ribbon to work with. So very simple. You just make another cut of ribbon. Make another cut of ribbon this way. Be very careful so that it doesn't lose. Then you make your cut. Just like this. So I pick it up again. I stop at number 6, the fifth turn. I continue. I place it the same way. I go 7 and 8. So this is the fifth turn. I want to use 6 times. 1, the last one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So now I have a leftover. I don't need the leftover. I cut it out. Then you gently pull it out this way. The mold has finished its work. Then you gently pull it out this way. So the mold and the ribbon is separated. So you pick your stapler. So you pick your stapler, then you insert it to the middle. You insert it to the middle. pin. You cross your pin. You pin again. Then you turn it to the other side. The essence of crossing the pin is to pick up every ribbon that will be on this side. This one will not pick, but every of your pin must be at the center. You don't pin from the other side. You pin at the center and at the center. That's all. I've pinned it all. So my ribbon is the next thing is to open if I need to pull out. So I must count it. It must be 6. Everything must be 6, 6, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the same way you go for everyone. So the ribbon mode is ready. So this is what we have. So you can use this. And like I have done for my waterfall, I can make a purple and lilac design of this and fix it on each edge of my decoration to make my work perfect. Let's see. So I can as well use it on my table at the center. Just pick any last one and you pin it down. Then your gumbo is ready. Yeah, so here we come to the end of the class. Like we have done the background, your lifting, then the waterfall on it. Then we have our tables laid. Then we done our pool bowls, the one with tail and the one without tail. And we have our velas, our ribbon, paper ribbon, glass valance. Then we have our mold, ribbon mold outcome with this. Then we've done our flower vases decoration and our flower setup decoration. So see the next class, majorly it will be on balloon decoration. Hope to see you then. Thank you. Stay blessed.